everyone. The topic for the new video is punctuality. Don't you think punctuality is an important topic? Yes, it is. It's very important topic. So let's see what this video is all about. You may be wondering, what is punctuality? Punctuality is the characteristic of being able to complete a required task or fulfill an obligation before or at a previously designated time. Punctual is often used as another word for being on time. It is often said a person who is punctual will always know how to respect their time and others as well. Also, the person who is punctual is known as reliable and a trustworthy person. Being punctual helps you to establish your reputation as dependable and consistent. See the quote which says, "One thing you can't recycle is wasted time." So true, right? There are people who are very punctual, and many of them describe those people who are punctual as people where they walk ahead of time and time walks behind them. This shows that that particular person who is punctual is very considerate about somebody else's time and does the work before the time schedule. You may be wondering, where do we need to be punctual in our life? Well, we need to be punctual in everything we do in our life. Like, for example, when we go to sleep, we need to sleep on time. We need to be punctual on our sleeping habits. If we don't, then it can cause a lot of problems for us. Like, we can be irritated, we don't focus on our work, etc. just because we are not punctual in our sleep. Transport. For example, supposing if you miss a train and you had to reach on time, it could cause a lot of problem. So, we need to be punctual when we travel too. Because if there is a function and we need to be there correct at that time and we aren't present, it shows that we are so careless and not responsible individual. We also need to be punctual to school. If we aren't punctual to school, we will be marked absent for being late. Also, as we talk about school, we need to be punctual for our exams. If we are 5 minutes or even 10 minutes late, that also counts. We might not be able to finish our paper on time, and due to that, we might lose marks. Also, we need to be punctual while eating our food. If we don't eat food at right time, then due to it, we could have lot of problems like acidity and also digestion problems. Also, we might have lot of issues related to diabetes, etc. So, these are the few daily things that we need to be punctual on? There are many. That's why to be punctual is important. Advantages of being late. Being late signals to others that you don't have self-control. Secondly, being late is rude to those whom you keep waiting. It tells others that you don't value their time, which is the same thing as not valuing them. Being late can also stress you up, as you have been given tasks to complete and you haven't completed it on time. Due to this, you might have to complete so much of the things that you get stressed up because there's a lot to complete in less time, and that can cause problem to you. Also, it can strain your relationships with the people who are most important to you, as you can't balance your time and you find it very difficult to be punctual and be there for your family and friends when they need you. Thank you everyone for watching.